Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ipek. Today I'm here to show you another Turkish recipe. This meal's name is Mucver. Turkish name is Mucver. Actually you can fry this or you can bake in the oven. Baking in the oven is the easiest way. That is the way I'm mostly choosing. We will fry in another video, so I will show you that too. We are going to see everything step by step with the ingredients, what we use, how we cook. Before that, I want you to go ahead and subscribe my channel and like this video. Also, you can share my posts or my videos with hashtag cookwithme. I hope you guys like it. Enjoy my video. Is ready, but today I made a little difference. Instead of me trying it, I'm going to let my husband try it and let's see what he's going to think about it. He loves Turkish food, by the way.
This is delicious. You did a good job, man.
You like it?
I love it.
So this is actually healthy because zucchini, carrot, all that stuff, but you don't really taste everything. Just like you don't really taste just zucchini or just carrot, and this will be good recipe for your kids if you want them to eat healthy, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I also serve with garlic yogurt. You can do it like that. You don't have to. You can just serve with normal yogurt if you want. You can serve it like that. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking about it, and let's see you in the next videos.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Bye bye.